guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today nga is atin tayo ng first day of training natin sa isang virtual assistant company na in-applyan natin. So, I'm not gonna mention the name of the company, but it's a company na ang dami niyang hininging requirements. Like, madami. As in, madami siyang nire-required. Like, para ka lang naka-office setup sa dami ng nire-require nilang requirements. My goal kasi right now, it's not about money. It's about the environment, kung okay ba siya para sa aking mental health. Since yung last client ko nga is, hindi client yung last na nakasama ko dun sa previous client ko is medyo traumatic. And I'm actually looking for something na okay sa utak ko. Thank you sa coffee friend. So, ayan. It's actually my first day of training. And basically naman kasi kapag nakapasok ka sa isang virtual assistant company or agency, kapag nakapasa ka ng first set of interview, it doesn't mean na completely or fully hired ka na. Because there's going to be like some procedures pa na you have to pass. Like the train. So this is going to be a 3-day training. And I'll update you on what's gonna happen on this 3-day training natin. It's 2 a.m. Manila. 2 a.m. Manila yung training natin today. But 30 minutes before is nakaupo na ako dito sa station ko. Kailangan natin mag-coffee kasi medyo hindi na ako sanay nagising na madaling araw since ilang months ba akong walang work. Almost 4 months na yata akong walang work. Medyo mahigpit tong company ito, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Bakit ganun? Ang dami nilang hinihingin kong anek-anek. And also, ayaw nila nung madaming client. Ayaw nila madaming client pero ang liit ng pasahod. Tingnan natin.
Alright guys, so I'm actually on my 10-minute break. So the first almost 2 hours is ang ginawa lang namin is meet and greet lang naman. And then the rules during the training, and also moving forward na employed ka sa kanila. What I don't actually like about it is the schedule, because the schedule depends on the client. So it's like you're working in the BPO. Kung ito yung schedule na binigay sa'yo, yun yung araw or oras na papasok ka. Kasi it can be, pwedeng may pasok ka ng weekend, which is, I don't like really working on a weekend kasi it's family day, gala day yun. Or pwedeng hindi siya magkasunod na rest day. So, pwede siyang Tuesday or Thursday yung off mo. Basta magkahiwalay siya. Tapos, kapag ni-request ni client na mag-OT, ayun nga, mag-OT ka. That's what I really don't like, because it's like you won't get like the enough work and life balance for me. Pero let's see, kasi baka hindi naman. Baka okay naman. Kasi ako naman, hindi naman ako magtatagal sa company kapag, alam nyo yun, ayoko ng mga rules. Or hindi ko talaga kaya yung mga rules na ini-implement nila. So, yes. So this is going to be like a 9-hour schedule, 9-hour training today on the first day. So, we're gonna get like 10 minutes break, 2 10 minutes break, and also an hour lunch break. So, ayan. Medyo mahigpit lang, no? Para ka nagtatrabaho sa BPO. And medyo hindi na ako sanay. Kasi sanay na ako na working on my own phase. Though may mga deadlines na nasusunod naman natin. Pero, when it comes to the schedule kasi, di talaga ako nagwo-work ng weekend. Ayoko nang nagwo-work ng weekend. Pero sana'y makuha kong client, no? Hindi siya nagpapa-work ng weekend. So, ayan, babalik na ako sa training. So, mamaya ulit, guys. Ayan na, guys. I'm on my lunch break already. So, it's gonna be for an hour. So, yun. Puro foundation lang naman yung yung mga topic namin ngayon. Pero, yun. Kinda every topic may recitation. And hindi ka pwedeng tutulog-tulog or antok-antok. Kailangan maintindihan mo yung sinasabi kasi bigla ka lang tatawagin kapag hindi ka nakikinig or hindi ka nagtataas ng kamay. So, yun. Kailangan medyo pabibo ka dito. Medyo simple pa yung mga topics Wala pa yung mga pinakamahihirap na topics. Feeling ko sa mga susunod na oras. And then, ayan, magla-lunch muna ako. Then, balik ulit mamaya after an hour. Ayun, guys. We're almost done with day 1 of our training. And I'm so sleepy because it's like first time ko ulit magpuyat ng ganito. Like 8 hours akong gising sa gabi. And super haggard na ako. Like super oily na ng face ko kasi ang init. At saka antok na talaga ako. Na-enjoy ko naman yung mga discussion today. And ayun nga, puro ano siya, kailangan attentive ka. And nagre-recite ka. Kasi kung hindi, mapapansin ka. At baka mapahiya pa ako kung tutulog-tulog ako dito sa training na to. Tapos yung last thing na ginawa namin is about foundation skills training, like writing activity lang naman, which is natapos ko na, but I still have like 6 minutes before 11. Then tapos na yung training namin. And then by tomorrow, sabi nila meron daw may virtual interview pa. May virtual interview pa tomorrow, and I don't really like interviews. I struggle when it comes to interviews. It's going to be virtual, so we actually needed to look professional and also act professional. Ayun. But of course, sabi sa amin ng trainer, list down some questions, usual questions on interviews, and then just make your answer like simple. Nagre-review na naman. Pero this day, it's done. I'm gonna cook our lunch. Bibili muna ako ng manok sa palengke siguro. And then, magluluto ako. And then, after that, matutulog na ako. I really want to work on my videos today, like my videos for TikTok. And also, do some reviews, movie reviews. However, parang hindi siya kaya today. Pero hopefully, mamaya magisingin pa rin ako para makagawa ako kahit konti lang, no? Kasi sayang yung araw. And I really want to pursue pa rin yung pagiging content creator ko, or yun, yung pagbebenta sa TikTok, yung pagiging affiliate sa TikTok. So, ayan. See you guys tomorrow. And, ayan. Luto-luto muna and then rest na.